So guys, welcome back again on our today's class. Now today's class, I'll be showing you how you can animate your AI movie fully. Like you, some people have been complaining about this app. They cannot save their video. They keep on getting bad results. No problem. I'm here to guide you on a proper way you can animate your AI movie fully. Like fully, okay? From how to get your script, from how to get your images, from how to get your consistent scene. You all know that a lot has been happening lately on Glock. Like you give them image to animate for you, they end up animating different kinds of things. And sometimes most of them are complaining that one after you don't subscribing, they also end up requesting for credit. Like you have to buy credit. Like a lot have been happening on Glock. Okay, so that's the advantage of you having different types of different kinds of alternative in terms of animating your AI video. Okay, so today I'll be showing you free tools you can use to animate your AI movie. And also, you all know about these free tools is totally free. Like they are unlimited. Once you can animate your AI script very well and follow their instruction, you are good to go. So guys, let's dive in. Now, before we start, we need to get our title and also the full script, okay? So now head over to any of your AI app, but I'm going with ChatGPT. Now go there to paste in your first script to get your title, okay? So this is exactly what I tell ChatGPT, and after everything, I go ahead to send it. Now when I send it, ChatGPT will now go ahead to normalize everything because I asked for the title, I asked for the gene, I also asked for the summary of the movie, okay, so that let me check if I will work with this kind of movie, okay, because there is kind of movie, like there's kind of image, when all these AI come across them, they won't generate it for you, okay. So whenever you're trying to generate your AI movie, make sure it's not the one that violates any AI animation app or website you are using, okay. So that's why I'm trying to make everything to be very simple and also make everything to be very nice, okay. So that's why I also tell the app to make sure that they give me the summary of everything, okay, so that I will know the one I'm working with and how the movie will be like. Do you understand? So after I'm done, I'm just keep on going through, I'm checking the summary of this one, okay. I think this is number 8. I don't like this. Let me say, okay, let me still check other one because we have 15 movie title. Okay, this one is number 15. The final appointment. Let's check the summary. Okay, parents arrived for the appointment with a therapist who officially reviewed years ago. Okay, I think this 15 is okay by me because it's somehow very nice, and so I will still go ahead to stage 2 to get our full script, okay. So this is exactly what I tell ChatGPT for our full script, okay. Now after I'm done putting everything, I go ahead to send it. Now when I send it, ChatGPT will now go ahead to normalize everything, like to summarize both the structure and how the movie will be, okay. So ChatGPT go ahead to give me this movie will be up to part 5, which you are seeing from part 1 to part 5. So each part have its own this thing. So which you are seeing there, okay. So ChatGPT are giving me the structure and everything. So I'll just go through everything and see, yeah, this is exactly what I want to work with. I come and tell ChatGPT, yes. So ChatGPT now go ahead to give me the full script. Okay, so for scene 1, for part 1, we have the mystery clinic. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so under final appointment, part 1, we have the mystery clinic. Now for the full script, here is the scene 1 of the full script. Okay, I'm just trying to go through the script to check if the script will be okay and if it will be very interesting as movie. So I'm just trying to go through the script one after the other, okay. So once I'm done checking the script, okay, this one is from scene 2, okay, this one is also from scene 3, so that's just it, okay. So that will not take us for the next step after we done getting in our full script. Do you understand? Now use next part too for those that want to use. Do you understand? So that's just it. Please don't joke with anything we are doing in this app because we are not good keeping anything like useful information. This kind of prompt you can never see it anywhere. I'm the only one that have this kind of prompt. And if you can tell yourself the truth, I don't think you have come across any kind of prompt that will give you this kind of movie title in terms of both part 2 and part 1. But no problem. Now after I'm done getting in my full script, I'll still go ahead to get my consistent image. So here is our consistent image. ChatGPT have summarized everything and give us. Okay. Now for the first person, I think we have our dad. The second person, we have the therapy. The third person, we have BC. Okay, so we have the fourth, the receptionist. Okay, so I think okay, this one is supporting actors. Wow, supporting characters. Sorry, Chinedu, and also look at it, supporting character Chinedu. Okay, then we still have supporting character again. Ada's mom. Flashback. Okay, now I still have okay. This one is their overall visual style. Okay, set in model Lagos. Okay, okay. So after I'm done with this side, I still go ahead to our stage 4, which for us to get our scene by scene image prompt. So this is exactly what I tell ChatGPT. After everything, I go ahead to do what, to send it again. Now when I send it, so ChatGPT will now go ahead to summarize all the whole movie and give me their scene by scene image prompt. And also each character, like now from scene 1, we have the only character we have there is Ada, which you are seeing there. Okay, so for scene 2, the character we have Ada and the receptionist. Okay, and also their outfits. Okay, their character, the outfits are scene 1. Wow, guys, oh my god. Now for scene 3, you see have Ada and the therapist, and the outfits remain the same. Same thing with scene 4. Okay, same that means Ada and the therapist are the main people in this movie. But well, no problem. So after all said and done, I'm just trying to go through my scene by scene if it's okay. But I think I love what I'm seeing. Now just go back to our the consistent image, like the third stage, quick for us to get our consistent image. Okay. So that is where I'm going back now. I'm going to scene 1. I mean, yes, character 1, which is here the main character, Ada Johnson. Now you go ahead to copy in this character. Go ahead to copy everything in this character, everything. So after I click on my copy, now head over to any of your app or website generating image. Okay, so I'll be going with Flow. Now when I come to Flow, I go ahead to open it. Remember, you can use Flow app, you can still use Flow website for the Android, but for iPhone user, make sure you use Flow website. The app is not available on your phone yet. Now that what you want to make, this is okay. I go ahead to paste in my prompt. Now for that image part, I click it to do some certain setting. So I want this movie to be 9.16, and also I want it to have 4 images. So this is exactly what I search my Flow AI and go ahead to send it. Now while our scene 1 is generating, now let's go and generate our character 2, being the therapy. So go ahead to copy everything in character 2. Now when I copy the character 2, I still over to my Flow AI again and also paste. What's happening? Don't mind them. Most of you just come out. Just okay. Now click on that arrow you're seeing there and repaste and resend the prompt again. Once you get anything like this, just click on that arrow and resend it again. Now while we resend the first character we were generating, now go ahead to paste in the second character we just copied now and send it again. Okay, so let's wait for these 2 characters. Once they're ready, we still go back to copy the next character. This one is for the Ada Johnson. Okay, okay, okay. Let's just wait for them. Okay, okay. Wow. Hmm. The mystery therapy. So all the image in the character 2, I like the therapists are now generated. So I think I will be working with this one. I go ahead to long press on the image and send. Mind you, can set to send, can set to leave it. Okay, so I still go ahead. I think I like this one. I still go ahead to long press and click on download again. Now once I'm done, I'm still go back to continue where I stop. Okay, so kindly use this method to get all your image consistency ready. So here are mine. I have already generated mine. Now let's head over to our next stage, being for us to, yeah, like now we're going to the scene by scene image prompts. Okay, under the scene one, a raining evening. So we go ahead to see copy here. Now the characters here is only Ada. Okay, so just pay serious attention for your character, which I'm always saying this in this whenever I'm doing something like this. Okay, now after I'm done, go ahead to copy it and head over to my Flow AI. Now you can start to click on new project. You can start to work with your former project you have been doing. Okay, so that's why I just click on that former project. I just want to continue with it. Now do you see that plus sign? Click on that plus sign you are seeing there. Okay, so let's just bring our image. Now click on that plus sign, go to your image if you downloaded it, but if you didn't download it, use your library. Okay, now when you click on your image, just give it time. Now it will not take you direct to your library for you to select the image you want to work with. Now our image, we are going with Ada. Now what do you want? Okay, head over there to paste in your prompt. Now image, also make sure you change it, use 4. Okay, because I want it to appear 4 times. And also go ahead to do what? To send. Please don't forget, if you're trying to send it, like the white arrow didn't come up, that means your image have not done loading. Once your image are done loading, the white arrow will just come up on its own, so that you guys will not find it confusing when it reach that time. Okay, all you have to just give it time. Okay, now here are our images. So I think I'll be working with this one. This one is okay. So I also go ahead to long place and download. Now when I download, I still head over to my next scene by scene script. I'll be prompt. So let's go and copy the next one. Scene 2, the therapist. I'll be okay, the reception, sorry. So I go ahead to copy it again. Mind you, under this scene 2, we have Ada and the receptionist. So this is the main character under scene 2. So mind you, if you need this script, the full script, just comment script, I will send it to you. Okay, so just let me know. Now if you need anything, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, and also if you find this video very interesting and lovely, also let me know in the comment section. Okay, so here I bring this sim, the character sim 2. Okay, and also come over the image to also change it again. Now when we change it, we are still waiting for the, like what I said before, we are still waiting for the image to download. Now once they are downloaded, I go ahead to send it. So here are the 2 characters under this sim 2. Okay, okay, okay. So let's check the one we'll be working with. Now let me check this one. This one is okay. Wow, this one is okay. So I go ahead to download this. Now go ahead to press on the image and click on your download. Now let's head over to the final stage. This is the main deal we are here. So like this, now I'm going to my main script, like my full script, the second stage. This is where I'm heading to now. Okay. So here is it. Scene 1, a raining evening. Now whenever you come over to your script, okay, just seriously pay attention. Check the action and check the dialogue. Okay, so whereby there is a lot of actions, okay, I just advise you just go ahead to copy it. Okay, especially the app you are using. If your app is something like 10 to 11 minutes up, okay, but assume you say something like 5 to 7 minutes, make sure you copy the little. Do you understand? Now once I'm done copying my script, so this is the app we'll be going with. We all know this is YouTube. Ever since I dropped this video about YouTube, a lot of people are getting a lot of comments. I can't download my image. In short, I can't generate my video again. I can't download my video, I mean to say. But don't worry, I'll be doing a proper tutorial on it again. Okay, now when you enter your YouTube, do you see that plus sign, that one in the middle? Hit on your plus sign. Do you see that short? Make sure you choose short. Okay, sometimes if you open it, used to be under video, but choose short. Then do you see that logo up here? Click on that logo. Now do you see create video? This is the one we'll be going with. Now click on your create video. When you click on your create video, do you see describe your ideas? This is where you'll be pasting in our prompt. Okay. Now when you paste in your prompt here, okay, now if you want to animate it, you still go ahead to animate it. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to do here. I'm just trying to instruct the app so that they will do exactly what the script is saying. Okay, now once I'm done animating it, do you see that add image? Now click on that add image. That will now take you direct to your gallery. Now bring in the first scene image we generated. Do you see that white icon? Send on that, click on that white icon to send. Now when your image, when you have sent it, just give it time to generate. Give it time to generate. As far as your network is stable, you don't use to take time. Please, I just decided to take everything to be real. So you guys do not think I caught something here. Please, sometimes if you think that your YouTube is not working or is not giving you what you want, go and update it. Okay, go to your Play Store, type YouTube and update it. Now when you update it, come back and start where you stop. So our video is ready. Now let's check the result. So guys, what do you think about this? Okay, just follow this instruction. I don't know why you are finding it hard to generate your own video. Now for us to download it, for us to download this video, for those that say they cannot download, do you see that icon? Just click. Now click on that icon. You will see save to device. Hit on that save to device. Now when you click on save to device, leave it. Okay, don't hit on cancel, just leave it. You will get this video saved to your device. This how now you have saved it direct to your device. Okay, now for you to go back, click on that arrow again for you to go back. Now when you still come over here to generate another script, okay, like for you to continue where you stop. Do you understand? Now go ahead to delete this one again. When we delete it, still head over to our ChatGPT. Now let's go and copy the next part. Okay, Ada soft. Okay, the place should be here now. Okay, this is what Ada said. Okay, now still go ahead to copy it. If you check now, action is here also. There's a little bit of action. There's a little bit. There's a not like a little bit. Mainly is action. The theory part is just a little. So that's why I just go ahead to copy. Okay, I just copied everything. Now hit on copy and head over to my YouTube again and paste the second one. So always remember to animate your script. Okay, always remember to animate your script properly, and also make sure you instruct the app. Okay, so that they will follow according to your script, so that they will not be giving you another thing. They don't want to give you A, they'll be giving you B. Do you understand? Now still go to your plus sign and bring the image. Now when you bring your image, still hit on the icon again and also give it time to load. So our video is getting ready. Now here is the second part of it. Now let's
This place should be here. This place should
So
be
guys,
here.
I don't know. Is it that you guys don't need to watch the video to the end and still come and complain your video cannot do this and cannot do that? Eh? Now let's still go ahead
This
to
place
download
should
it
be
again
here.
like we did before. Okay, click on that arrow and go to your save to device and give it time like this. Video saved to your device. So start animating your image and start posting. Now let me know if this video was very helpful in the comment section, and bye.